welcome back to Watch the Kettle. I'm quite excited today because it's finally here. After 9 months of being on the wait list, I'm going to take you on my journey to pick up my Rolex Root Beer GMT-Master 2 126711 CHNR. Let's go. This is me rocking my 124060 Submariner, no date, quick wrist check while I wait in the Rolex showroom. And I must say the showroom is really beautiful, really lovely. I was offered champagne, whiskey, beer, but I wasn't really in the mood for that. I just came from the gym. And it took quite a while for them to get the watch from the back, which had me wondering. And finally, it was here. They were kind enough to do an unboxing for me. And first thing that came to my mind was, look at that sparkle. But this is gonna be a fingerprint magnet. That was all I was thinking about, but I was so happy to basically have this beauty in my hand. Look at that beautiful watch. Now with every AD, you're not allowed to leave the showroom with your watch fully stickered, so they would have to take out the stickers from the watch because that fetches a higher premium. So I got this in January 2024, which was the end of all my travels for 2023, and at that point it was fetching for around 14.3k, and in the grey market it was around 17-18k. So if I was to sell this with the stickers, that would go for 19, and that's not allowed in Rolex. So I said, if I'm paying money for this watch, I need to take the stickers out myself. So kind of felt like Christmas again, you know, and they were kind enough to allow me to stick on my watch. Just for those that are new to watch collecting and watch buying, there are two ways to buy a luxury watch. If it's in demand, you could buy it from an authorized dealer, which most times there is a wait list because there's a premium going for that in the black market, or you could just go to the grey market or black market and buy it from a jeweler for a premium. I got mine from an authorized dealer in Lakeside here in Dartford, Kent, and the experience was actually a good one. So I've been with these guys for about 2 years now, and the wait time to get this was 9 months. It wasn't really one of my first choices. I never really saw the need for a root beer for a while till I actually tried one in hand. And prior to getting this, I had actually gotten some other watches. So most people will struggle to get this as a first time watch, but my spend history with them has been quite a bit. So having gotten the Rolex Explorer 2, the no date sub, the Tudor chrono, the Datejust in two-tone, and even a Jubilee bracelet on its own, I put my name down for this, and I actually got it in 9 months. So while I basically unsticker this, most people might want to know 1 or 2 tricks to get in the call from your AD, and it's really simple. It's all about how genuine you are in wanting to get this watch, you know, and just proving to them you're not a flipper. And also the money, how much money have you spent with them? Because if you think about it, you know, what you put in is what you get out. So I don't see why an AD should offer someone a watch that has a premium of 5k profit in the grey market for you to flip when you haven't actually had any purchase history. So it's kind of like scratch my back, I scratch yours. Buying like a Tudor, for example, doesn't go up in value, but if you buy it, it kind of like scratches your back in terms of their inventory to allow sales go through the company. But I would always recommend buy what you like. But if you have done some business with them, buying some other sort of items, jewelry, something for the missus, something for yourself, something that's not really hyped up, then that could actually count into your spend history. So it's all about spend history and how often you basically communicate with them. I go in once a month. I don't send emails, I don't make calls. I just go in once a month, and I have a genuine interest in watches. So the story about how I actually put my name down for this was because I'm a big traveler, and in 2023 I did a country every month. So that was a nice story for them to know about. So every month they kept on asking me, oh, what country have you visited this month? And I told them, showed them pictures, and I was like, you know, I would actually really want a root beer just to basically mark 2023 as a successful year of traveling to a country each month. So that was kind of like a good storyline, you know, coupled with the fact that I had bought other Rolexes from them. I have a spend history. I genuinely like watches. I have a YouTube channel. You don't necessarily have to, but I'm sure those were part of the reasons as to why I got the call in 9 months, because it's quite a difficult watch to get. I think the main things that matter is your story, have a little spend history, and just be genuine about it and don't really bug your AD, and I think you will get the call. And then after spending a lot of money on this watch, I was like, I really need a gift. Can you give me something? And they were kind enough to give me this watch pouch. It came in this little case here. Really simple, nothing too special. Lovely, lovely leather. The quality of this is amazing. So it being a GMT traveler's watch, I could easily travel with this as a traveler's pouch. So I basically swayed them to give me something, some sort of gift. Now this doesn't usually happen, but on a few occasions, you know, depending on your relationship or your spend history, they might give you a gift, but don't always expect it. But it was really nice to get something different. And that's me walking away. I always walk away with the wrist on my hand when I buy a watch, because anyone can snatch that bag now, and I don't want that. But yeah, one thing I would really, really love about this watch is how it hits the light in the dark. That rose gold in the dark time is just perfect. With that 904 steel and ever rose gold, you can never really go wrong with it. And I actually think personally it fits my skin tone very well. I believe yellow gold is a bit too loud and too shouty, but something about the ever rose gold that Rolex actually does really fits my skin tone, I would say. So I must say I was really pleased I actually got this watch to mark 2023 as the year of travel, doing a country every month. And I got this in 2024 January, and I got the GMT-Master 2 because it's a traveler's watch. You could track up to 3 time zones, so that was actually more sentimental to me. So the history of the GMT-Master was actually started in 1954. So it was originally commissioned by Pan American Airways. So they needed their crew and the pilots to have a traveler's watch to do their trips. So the signature colors was blue and red, hence why the Pepsi bezel has the iconic blue and red bezel, and that's one of the most hyped up GMT-Master 2s today. However, the root beer here was first introduced in the 1960s with the reference 16753. It had a nipple dial at that point in time, and then in 2018 this came back as well. The root beer has been known in my wrist right now. It came back with the Pepsi as well in steel in 2018 Baz Award. So let's have a look at the specification of this watch. So this is a caliber 3285, which is a power reserve of 70 hours, meaning if you take this watch out of your wrist on a Friday and pick it up back on a Monday, you should have some more power to keep ticking and you don't have to actually wind the watch again. However, this is a 40mm diameter maxi case, 48mm lock to lug. Also has that EasyLink 5mm comfort extension, as we all know with most Rolex watches. So when you're on holiday and it's quite hot, you could actually extend that so that you could have breathable space on your wrist. Screw down triple lock waterproof test as well. Keeps an accuracy of +2 to -2 seconds a day. Also has that bi-directional rotatable 24-hour bezel as well. This is made from 904 steel, Rolex owned steel, and Rolex owned 18 karat ever rose gold, which is crested in their Rolex factory, which has a lot of materials that makes it more durable and a bit more long lasting, unlike traditional golds. Has a 100-meter water resistant ceramic bezel, and comes in full rose gold or bimetal. And this only comes in the oyster bracelet, funny enough. It doesn't come in the Jubilee bracelet. That would be banging. So this is my favorite watch at the moment. For the longest time I always wore Rolex steel watches, and there is just something about the ever rose gold here that just screams elegance, and it's a bit subtle, a bit under the radar. Yellow gold is a bit too loud for me, but this still remains my most expensive watch purchase till now. So I'm going to be taking a break for a minute with buying any more watches. But what would be the perfect travel companion with this? My opinion would be the Bagirl, which is the GMT-Master 2 with the black and the blue bezel with the Jubilee bracelet. So that could be daytime, and then you have the root beer for nighttime. Anyway, anytime you're away, because both of them are GMT-Master 2s and you can track to a time zone. That would be the perfect travel companion for this, in my opinion. But let me know your thoughts in the comments about the watch. Do you like it? Do you not like it? How would you like it improved in the future? What's the best travel companion with this? And is this on your wait list? Let me know. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.